This is chocolatecake, Sweden's legendary sticky chocolate cake. It's 5 simple ingredients, 1 bowl, and a guaranteed chocolate obsession. We'll start with 2 eggs. Whisk it together with your sugar and melted butter. A touch of vanilla is optional, but highly recommended for that professional dipped flavor. Keep it gentle, but mix it well. We want a dense, fudgy texture. Fold it until smooth. So silky. Pour the butter into a form. I used an 18 cm one for 4 to 6 portions. We're baking at 175 Celsius for about 15 minutes. The secret is the timing. When you take it out, the edges should be set, but the center must be still jiggle. That's how you get that perfect molten heart. It's rich, dark, and incredibly simple. Works perfectly with whipping cream. But if you want to take it to the next level, stay tuned for part 2. I'll show you how to make a luxurious strawberry buttercream using only real fruit. No artificial colors, just pure elegance. See you there! You don't want to miss this